Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change country Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to change country Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To change the country in Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear. Select the Settings menu. And select More. Well, here it is in the Settings menu. Here there are many menu options. Tap the Country or Region menu. Well, here there are many country options. Tap See More Countries/Regions. For more country options, scroll down to see more country options. Well, there are lots of country options. Select one of the countries to be changed. For example, I chose Portugal. It can be seen here that it has changed to Portugal. So that's it, tutorial how to change country Microsoft Bing in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.